Hi, I'm Mike and welcome to Scoutadelic, and today is Monday, which means we're going to do something in a mug with Mike on a Monday in a microwave. Just because it sounds really cool. And today is something completely different. We're going to do a mug quiche. Didn't think you could do that, did you? Neither did I. So what you're going to need today is some butter, some eggs, some milk, some cream cheese, some chives or spring onions, depending on what obviously you're after. You want some ham, grated cheese, a half a slice of bread, and one cherry tomato. That's it. Okay. Right, ready for this? So you're going to put 1 teaspoon of butter in your mug and microwave it for around about 20 seconds. I've got Light. We're not sponsored by them, just thought I'd say. So you want 1 teaspoon of butter. Like that. There we go. Always clean up afterwards. You want to put in your butter in a mug for around about 20 seconds. So the butter's melted. So then what you do is you need to break your eggs in your mug and add your milk. So you want 2 eggs. So let's see how good I am. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this one-handed. And then you want 3 tablespoons of milk in there as well. 2, 3. And then you should have your butter, your eggs and your milk in there, and you want to whisk it all together. Now if you don't have a whisk, then obviously you can use a fork. Just there we go. Well, can't really see. Then what you want to do is you want to add your 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. Now, I've got Philadelphia. Again, not sponsored, but you know, never know. Then you want half a tablespoon of either chives or spring onion. Now I went with chives, so, but they want to be chopped. So you want half a teaspoon of this. Here you go. And then you want 1 slice of ham, but chopped up. 1 slice of ham, 1 slice of ham chopped. Then you want 2 tablespoons of grated cheese. And then you want your half a slice of bread, but you want it cubed, and that wants to go in as well. So there's my bread, cubed. And then you want your 1 cherry tomato, you want it quartered. 1 cherry tomato. Okay, you need another cherry tomato but quartered. 1 cherry tomato quartered. And then you want to mix that all together. It does smell nice actually. Doesn't look nice, but it does smell nice. And then what you want to do is sprinkle on 2 tablespoons of cheese on the top. Like so. Then you want to cover your cup with cling film and microwave for around about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Like that. Again, keep your eye on it, okay? Now then, if your egg isn't set, microwave it for around about 30 seconds more, okay? But let it cool off, and be careful when you take off the cling film because obviously it's going to be hot, there's going to be steam and everything else, okay? Oh, this smells absolutely amazing. I'm not lying here. And then tuck right on in. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Take a little bit off the top because that's the cheesy bit. Oh my god, this is amazing. So, if you've enjoyed this, then don't forget to subscribe. 80% of people who are watching these videos, which could be you, might not be subscribed, so just scroll down and if you see a little red button, click it, subscribe, it's free, and you get some interesting and amazing ideas that you can obviously do with young people all around the world. If you've already subscribed, then don't forget to obviously give this a like, and then finally share it. Who knew you could make a quiche in a mug? Not me. Oh. It's very hot. Really good. If you've liked this, then obviously there's tons more coming up this month and this year. So I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye!